Hello everyone. So today I've bought this hairdryer today. I My hairdryer broke and I had to get a new one because I've used it a lot, and because when I wash the dishes, and because I have long hair, and this means I need a new one. So I thought I would do a boxing and taking a first use of my new hairdryer. So we've got the Babyliss hairdryer, frizz, tumming, powerful, blow dry, Nozzle Lotus 2400 watt motor, super fast drying power, iconic frizz contains for the smooth results, lightweight control drying, and it also tells you about super fast drying, powerful 200 watts delivery, super fast drying in all hair types. Hi Daniel. Guess what? So frizz control, high performance, iconic systems, release conditions, irons to visibly smooth hairs and enchant sides. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Comfortable, blow dries perfectly, balanced for the lightweight handling. The rules letters 200 remote water. Technical certifications 200 watt, 3 heats and 2 speed setting. Cool, short, bottom, iconic frizz and creamy technologies, lightweight, concentrate nozzle, removable filters with 2 Peter power cord and 3-year guarantee. That is gonna last for at least 3 years until I get another one. But since I got one, yeah, let's open this up and see what it comes. Right. Here we've got the power cord. We've got the cardboard thingy. This. And we've got the safety instruction booklet. So as you read between them. Right. Okay. So supervise the bathroom as your install. So to advise warning: do not use this appliance near the bathtub, showers, basins, or the other vessels contains water. Do not emphasize the appliances into water or other liquids. Never look directly into the barrel of the hairdryer when it's switched on. It is switched on. Always inspect if the appliances before you use it are notably or signs of damage. Do not use if it's damaged or the appliance has been dropped in the event or damaged. Discontinued using it immediately. Contact on the surface. This contacts the customer service care line referring to UK after sale service. Section for the further information. Do not use the appliance for the hair. The lead is damaged in The evade of damage continues. Use it immediately. Is the lead key that is damaged? It must be replaced by a manufacturer's. Return the appliance to the customers. Care centers refer to UK after sales services section. For further information, no repairs must be attempted by the customers by not leaving the appliances unattended when switched on or plugged in. This appliance is equipped with a safety fluidize in the event or overheat. The appliance will either stop automatically running hot or cold immediately. Should this happen to the switch, the applies to the position unplug and allow to cool for 10 minutes before using. Ensure the rear filters is clear of hair dryers and other debris. Plug in and switch on if the appliance continues to overheat. Discontinue. Use immediately. Switch off and unplug. And contact the containing customers lines. Feed it to UK after sales service sections for further information. Take care that if events do not become blocked when you're using, ensure the rear filters is clear of hair and of debris before use. During using, do not place the appliance on any heat sensitive surface. Take care to avoid the hot surface of appliances coming into directed contact with the skin, in particularly the ears, eyes, and face and neck. The appliance can be used by children aged from 8 years and above person reduced reciprocal psychical sensory or mental capabilities or lack of expenses and knowledges if they are being given supervisions or instructions contain or the appliances in a safe way and understanding the hazards involved. Children shall not play with the appliances and cleaning and the maintenance shall not be made by children without supervision. Allow the appliance to cool before storing away. This may cause damage to the lid. Instead, color the lid loose by the side of the appliance. Do not use any accessories other than those recommended by Babyliss. Anyways, unplug the appliance when not using or not used or before cleaning. This project complies fully with appropriate EU. I think that's it. Right, so we're gonna pack this nozzle. And nice. And then we're going to unpack this here. Nice. So, since this thing is all cleaned, right, let's take it out. If I can. Okay, let's do it. Okay. And success. Now you want to install your nozzle. And then, where it's put together, so it's clean. So, since it's all clean, that I'm gonna do it, because you know, I'm gonna use this for my hair. And this hairdryer looks good, so I've got my hairdryer, which is Liebring Lan. I only use it for traveling. So this is the house hairdryer and this hairdryer. What do you guys prefer? Comment down below. So, but I'm not going to turn this on, so I'm going to turn that on to see how it performs. So, we need the plug. Then you can see if I can find one. Let's switch it on. Right, so now let's turn it on to the first speed. It's okay. Really cool. It's cool. So let's turn it on to 2. So you say this is perfect. This setting for this temperature is quite good. It's perfect. Let's turn it on to H. Wow. This is really, really hot. Then if you turn it on to the cold setting. Now letting the first speed now, and now the maximum speed. Wow, this is very powerful. Okay. Yeah, so this is quite good. It's perfect, and which is unbalanced, and it is really heavy, so you need to hold it very, very strong with your hands. Apart from this, it will perform very, very well, because you need to hold this really tight and squeeze it and do this, because since it's heavy, you have to hold this hard. And it's perfect, very powerful, very powerful. But apart from this, it's really heavy. So you mean this will perform very well. So, so I've got this. And this one was really good and powerful. So let's put it there. I'll put it here. Okay. So, thanks for my unboxing this week of my Babyliss hairdryer. My other one was horrible and it wasn't good at all. So I'm glad I bought this new one. So it's time to end this video. If you want to see me unbox the hairdryer, go to www. and find them at the shops. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye bye!